When you're employed with a company and you're visiting any country, getting a no objection certificate from the company helps in two ways. One, to tell the immigration department that you are gainfully employed and in all certainty you are going to come back to your work. And second, that you are taking your leave from work to travel. So I'll show you how you can ensure that all these details are covered in the letterhead which you are submitting to any country immigration department. This will work for any country. So first, make sure that it is on an organizational letterhead, and even better if you can send the draft to your organization's HR and ask them to give in this format. Some companies have a standard format. If you get a standard format, what to do, you'll get to see that at end of this video. On a organizational letterhead, date will get mentioned, then the country's name with High Commission / embassy, wherever you are sending. Then their address and country where it is being addressed. So if you are in India and you're applying for visa from India, you will enter India. If you're applying from Canada, this city and country will be Canada specific. Likewise, whichever country you're applying from, you will have to mention that detail. Then the subject as no objection certificate for travel. So it makes it very clear that this is related to travel. Then dear sir and ma'am, this is to inform that employee's full name, that is your name, holding the position of employee's job title and organization name. So all this gets entered here. You can customize this. Has been granted leave from, the dates get mentioned. So this shows that you have planned your leave well in advance. And then the employee detail, name, position, department, and the commencement date of the employee. So once this is captured, let's come down. Here you see leave detail, employee's full name, has requested leave from start to end date for personal travel purpose. The organization has reviewed and approved this leave, and we have no objection to his travel plan during the mentioned period. So instead of there, it will be his. Please note that employee is expected to resume the duties on date when the date you will return for work. That gets mentioned. If you require any further information or clarification, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Yours sincerely. Then the organization representative, whoever is signing, their complete date, name, job title, address, email address. Make sure email address is there, because most of the communication might happen through email, not even over phone. And then if contact information be provided. So with this letter template, you're seeing that when you're applying this visitor visa and you're uploading this document, this authenticates and this reaffirms that you will come back to the country. In case your company or organization is not able to give this on the letterhead, after you send an email, whatever reply you get, make sure you're taking a printout of that, and then you can make a separate letterhead handwritten note that I'm working with this organization, as these are my job title. You can extract information from here, and you can say that you have applied for leave from company's side. This is the standard format what they give, and this is the information I'm able to provide from my end now. So that way it also shows that you have tried to get the information what is required. And some of the organizations, they have a standard policy. Sometimes they will just give a standard template. Usually company gives as a PDF document so that no edit can happen. If you have to draft a letter after you have received a standard template from your company, you can take a photocopy as a JPEG file, transfer that to the Word document, and just below that you can add your note, whether it is handwritten or you can type it on Word document. Once that is done, once everything is done, say right now you can see here it only has one page, but now you have multiple page. Say page 2, page 3, page 4 has been added. After that, come here, file, then you click save as. Don't go for save as Adobe PDF, come to save as. Here choose the location, browse the location where you want to save this. And once that is done, you see here, select PDF from here. And once you do this, you have two options: standard, publish online and printing, minimum size, publishing online. So you can check the size of the PDF, whichever is reduced size, you can use that to upload. That's how it is done. And I hope you found this video useful. You can also check out my website where I have organized all these videos in a way that it's easy for you to explore and find more information. So do check out the website. Thanks for watching.